Hi, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? So what's going on? Today video is very good for all of you, and definitely I have a lot of good news is for all of you because in last 24 hours all crypto market is starting moving upwards. So therefore, my friend, as you can see here, Stellar XLM is also one of them, my friend. Absolutely, they will get a profit, my friend, and previous last 24 hours, my friend. So definitely when a coin will starting moving upwards, so that's all credit goes to holders, because when the holders are starting holding, definitely the price will pumps up. So I will just notify my all viewers, my subscriber, to please, if you want to earn money, if you want to get a profit in very short time, now just and only you would need to hold. And definitely if you hold just in only last 10 days, my friend, of this month, so definitely I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends, so they will give you a very good profit and they will make you a millionaire now, because every coin will, my friends, will moving in this circulation. To after a dump every coin will pump, and after a pump every coin will dump. So therefore I will notify you, my viewers, my subscriber, to upcoming time there is a chance, so they will give you a profit. Kindly, if you want to get a profit now, just and only, my friends, you will need to hold. In upcoming days there is a 70% chance, my friends, so the price will be take a very huge jump, because my brother, after this fail, this is very huge fail, my friend. After this fail, I am 100% sure, my friends, so they will moving here now. So definitely if they will just only there is, you can see a very huge difference now. So absolutely, my friends, this time you can see here the dozens of candle, as you can see here, are, my friends, green now. So that's true, my friends, to upcoming time they will pumps up. Kindly holders, my friends, my prediction is 100% going positive now, and my technical analysis absolutely, my friend, gone very good and place positive now. So absolutely my opinion is also hold now. And expert says to upcoming time the price will go and be double now. So why are you wasting your time to starting in very short time, you starting selling, buying, starting selling, buying? Please don't waste your time. Just only you will need to hold for 10 days. I am 100% sure to they will make you millionaire. See you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.